Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A31 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can make lock screen wallpaper changing automatically in your phone Oppo A31. If you press lock screen button, each time your wallpaper will be changing. If you want to set like that, go to the settings for phone here and click on home screen and lock screen magazine. Click on lock screen magazine here and turn on the button against lock screen magazine. Now put lock screen, and when you each time press lock screen button, there is a changing wallpaper. See here, but here you cannot add your own photos for changing wallpapers. Just the system wallpapers will be updated here and you can use that. If you don't want this, just turn off this button and there will be no wallpaper changing in your phone. So in this way you can make lock screen wallpapers changing automatically in your phone Oppo A31. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.